Do you want soft, bouncy curls without using heat? In today's video, I will show you my updated way of creating overnight curls with just a headband. It's super comfy, easy, and your hair will thank you for it. You might remember that I already have a video on my channel with the same headband, but that was my first time trying it out. Since then, I've changed my technique, and today I will show you the way that works much better for me. So let's start. My hair is freshly washed, brushed, and still a little damp. I part my hair in the middle, then clip the headband on one side to secure it. On the other side, I start wrapping. First, I twist the first section, wrap it around the band, then add the second section and wrap it together with the first. I keep going like this until all the hair from this side is wrapped. If your hair is completely dry, just spray on a little water or your favorite moisturizing spray before starting. The most important tip: don't wrap too tight. Keeping it a bit loose prevents pulling, which can be painful at night and even cause breakage. I also slide the band slightly toward the back of my head, so when I sleep on my side, it doesn't bother me. To secure the ends, I use a sock. I just wrap it in the same direction as my hair and tie it with a hair tie. This way, the ends stay in place and don't get those marks you sometimes get from regular ties. Then I do exactly the same on the other side. I make sure to keep the headband a little loose on top of my head so I don't get flat spots in the morning. I secure the ends again with a sock, and finally I cross the ends of the headband behind my head, twist them a bit and tie them at the top. And that's my ready bedtime look. The next morning, I just unwrap the hair and done. The curls look soft and natural. I don't use styling products, so of course the curls won't stay perfect all day. But even after walking in the wind and doing some gardening, I can still see nice waves at the end of the day. If you want them to last longer, definitely add a bit of styling product. And here is a bonus. You don't have to wait until bedtime. You can wear this headband style during the day too, and by the evening your curls are ready for going out. So, have you tried overnight curling methods before? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your tips and experience. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more natural hair ideas and DIY recipes. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!